Do you know that in Palmon Survival, some Palmon can actually evolve into entirely new forms? These evolved Palmon are far stronger than their original versions, gaining additional stats like attack, defense, HP, and more. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Palmon Evolution system, covering how evolution works, what materials you need, and how to gather them efficiently through the trial of growth. Overview. Not every Palmon can evolve, but certain ones like Ninjump and Statue have evolutions available. You can check this by opening the Palmon. If you see an evolution icon at the top left corner of their portrait, that Palmon can evolve. When a Palmon evolves, not only does its appearance change, but it also goes through 4 evolution stages and various talent upgrades. Each stage and upgrade provides permanent stat bonuses such as attack, defense, and HP. The further you progress, the stronger your Palmon becomes, and completing all stages and upgrades transforms them into a brand new model. The process begins with unlocking the first evolution stage, which requires evolution essence. After that, you'll work through the 4 talent upgrades. Each upgrade has 10 levels and requires elemental energy. For example, Earth Palmon needs Earth energy. You can move forward to the next upgrade or stage after finishing all 10 levels. Materials. Evolution relies on 5 primary materials, evolution essence, plus 4 types of elemental energy: earth, fire, water, and electric. These materials are mainly exchanged in the trial shop using trial points. But the shop has a weekly purchase limit. For example, you can exchange 8,000 trial points for 400 elemental energies of each type and get up to 20 evolution essence per week. Besides the shop, you can also earn materials from events like evolution events and the treasure pot. Make sure to complete the event task to maximize your rewards. Of course, if you want to speed things up, bundles are also available for purchase. But they are pretty expensive. For example, 20 evolution essences may cost around $20. If you're buying a bundle in Palmon Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Trial of Growth. We can imagine Trial of Growth like your trial point generator. It generates trial points daily just like a power plant. It has 4 towers, where each tower represents an element. Each tower has 300 floors. You can clear them by winning the battle within 1.5 minutes. But you can only deploy Palmon of the same element as the tower. So, Water Palmon for the Water Tower, Fire Palmon for the Fire Tower, and so on. The higher the floor you have cleared, the more points it will generate daily. For example, clearing the 53rd floor of the Water Tower will give you 760 trial points daily. However, the towers aren't open all the time. Water and Earth towers open Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Fire and Electric towers open on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And remember, you only claim the daily rewards on the next day. In addition to the daily income, each time you clear a floor, you also get instant rewards, such as trial points and elemental energy. For example, completing the 54th floor of the Water Tower gives 200 trial points and 15 water energy. Before challenging a tower, temporarily equip your best gear onto the 5 Palmon of that element. Allocate resources into each element team, like leveling them up or upgrading their stars. Clear as many floor areas as possible to increase the trial point generation the next day. Evolution is essential, and we can use it as a trick in the defense. Have you ever found your squad lose to an opponent with nearly half the CP as your squad? That's the trick we will cover in the next episode. Please comment defense trick if you want to learn about this topic. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.